Alright, cool.
Lots of pictures. I have 31 pictures.
Yeah, I took one.
Cool. Alright, let's start going.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. What's you guys' names? Who are you?
Rhett.
Your name's Rhett? Your name's Mug?
My name's Saya.
Alright, what are you guys doing today?
Taking film photos.
Yay! Yay! Going outside is so beautiful, especially when you haven't done it for a few days. Taking your friends out, maybe for the first time, to do something new is probably one of the few things that feels even better than that. Walking around with a couple dingy old film cameras, one with a lot of emotional attachment and one with none at all. It feels nice. Feeling the sun beat down on you, adjusting your aperture, your shutter speed, maybe not even caring at all because the camera's doing it all for you. Capturing things that you find beautiful or worth capturing. There's nothing like it. There's nothing like it at all. It's something I miss doing, no matter how often I actually do it. I think because I want to share it with people. And you can never share too much of this, at least in my opinion. Today was a little bit about testing gear, but I think more about really showing to other people why I like doing what I love doing and why I love it so much. Can you think of the last time that someone really connected with you on that level? Someone really saw what you love doing and discovered it in front of your very eyes. It's amazing. It's such a good feeling. It's infectious too. It makes me rediscover parts of this hobby, parts of life, I would say, that maybe it became a little monotone. Maybe they felt a little taken for granted. It's nice to wake up and rethink and reset that receptor in your brain and think, man, no, it really was that good in the beginning, wasn't it? And feeling it again. I love taking photos. I think there's a new feeling I'm discovering, which is taking videos of people that are doing something cool, like taking photos, documenting their expressions, their body language, how they're holding the camera, what they're looking at, maybe what they're not looking at, what they're choosing to ignore in favor of what they want to take a picture of, as opposed to what I would have taken a picture of in the moment. There's no right answer, of course. There's no objective, this is what you should be taking a picture of and this is what you shouldn't be. That's not fair. It is special. It's a nice feeling, right? You should try it sometime. Enjoy the show, and I'll see you next Thursday.